Welcome, dear students. Now I am going to discuss about some special uses of have verb in present continuous tense. The have verb needs a special care. It can be used to mean possess. Generally, have verb is used to mean possession or possess. It can be used in some other senses also, in some other meanings also. Whenever it is used to suggest possession, we can use it only in the simple present tense. Here you should remember that whenever have verb suggests only possession, we can use it only in the simple present tense, not in the present continuous tense. Examples I have given here. I have all these books at home. I have all these books at home. Here have is indicating possession, that means possess. That's why it can be used only in simple present tense. Similarly, second one, she has a severe headache. Here has means possesses, that means here also it is indicating possession, and that's why it is also used only in simple present tense. But example number 3, the children are having much fun. Here having it is not indicating any possession. Here having means experiencing, and that's why it can be used in present continuous tense. And sentence number 4, she is having her lunch. Here having is not indicating, here also having is not indicating any possession. Here it is indicating the meaning of eating. That's why it can be used in present continuous tense. Similarly, sentence number 5, Rachit is having his bath. Here is also having is not indicating any possession, any sense of possession. It is not indicating any sense of possession. It is indicating the sense of taking something. That's why it can be used in present continuous tense also. Okay.